So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for AI constant satisfaction week 6 assignment 6. So the first question is a backtracking based algorithm searching for a solution to a CSP using variable ordering x1, x2, xg reach a dead end at variable x7. This dead end is an internal dead end if dash. So these are the option and the answer for our first question is B. The domain d7 of x7 has no value left to try. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following statements are true about learning based algorithms? So these are the option and the answer for our second question is D. All of the above. And now let's go to our question number 3. Gashing's backjumping algorithm starts processing the constant network in figure 1 with the partial solution x1 equal to w, x2 is equal to m, x3 equal to k. Run the algorithm according to the given ordering and it will arrive at a dead end on variable dash. So these are the option and the answer for our third question is D, x7. And now let's go to our question number 4. The dead end variable in the previous question is dash. So these are the option and the answer for our fourth question is a leaf dead end. And now let's go to our question number 5. In question 3, where Gashing's back jumping arrived at a dead end, the culprit variable is dash. So these are the option and the answer for our fifth question is x3. And now let's go to our question number 6. After jumping back to the culprit variable identified in question 5, Gashing's back jumping algorithm finds that dash. So these are the option and the answer for our sixth question is B. The culprit variable's domain is not empty. And now let's go to our question number 7. For the constant network in figure 1, Gashing's back jumping arrives at a dead end on x7 which is conflicting with WWMKKG, and note that this partial assignment is different from the one in question 3. The culprit variable identified by the algorithm is dash. So these are the option and the answer for our seventh question is x4. And now let's go to our question number 8. For the constant network in figure 1, conflict directed backjumping arrives at a dead end on variable x7 which is conflicting with WWMKKG. The culprit variable identified by the algorithm is dash. So these are the option and the answer for our eighth question is x6. And now let's go to our question number 9. Let us assume that a dead end occurs at E and E is a leaf dead end. How many elements exist in the induced Ancaster set for E? Enter a count. So the answer for our ninth question is 3. And now let's go to our question number 10. Consider a partial assignment AI equal to RBBBGR. Which node is R parent of AI? Select all that apply. So these are the option and the answer for our 10th question is A, B and D. And now let's go to our question number 11. Which of the following are relevant dead end for E? Select all that apply. So these are the option and the answer for our 11th question is A, B, C, D. And now let's go to our question number 12. Let D be the internal dead end variable with relevant dead end set as y is equal to DEG, to which variable the algorithm can safely jump back to. So these are the option and the answer for our 12th question is A. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.